Photophobia, fear of heat. Somniphobia, fear of sleep. Gynophobia, fear of women. Apiphobia, fear of bees. Pyrophobia, fear of fires. Rhinidophobia, fear of frogs. Gallipophobia, fear of sharks. Latophobia, fear of doctors. Pedrophobia, fear of dolls. Motophobia, fear of moths. Zoophobia, fear of animals. Bananaphobia, fear of bananas. Sclerophobia, fear of crime. Sebophobia, fear of food. Phasmophobia, fear of ghosts. Echinophobia, fear of horses. Mosophobia, fear of mice. Catoprophobia, fear of mirrors. Agliophobia, fear of pain. Tachypophobia, fear of pregnancy. Telephonophobia, fear of talking on the phone. Pogonophobia, fear of beers. Technophobia, fear of technology. Crinophobia, fear of future. Agoraphobia, fear of forks. Arachnophobia, fear of spider. Acrophobia, fear of heights. Cynophobia, fear of dogs. Astrophobia, fear of thunders. Mysophobia, fear of germs. Aerophobia, fear of flying. Trypophobia, fear of holes. Nasunod doon sana. Carcinophobia, fear of cancer. Thanatophobia, fear of deaths. Glossophobia, fear of public speaking. Monophobia, fear of being alone. Trypanophobia, fear of needles. Anthropophobia, fear of people. Aquaphobia, fear of water. Autophobia, fear of abandonment. Hemophobia, fear of blood. Gamophobia, fear of commitment. Cynophobia, fear of unknown. Biophobia, fear of driving. Visophobia, fear of falling. Theophobia, fear of God. Glophophobia, fear of balloons. Nyctophobia, fear of darkness. Androphobia, fear of men. Phobophobia, fear of fear.